Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming power and pairing state. First, charge both earbuds and the case to at least 20% so firmware and resets complete reliably. Then, forget the device on your phone or laptop to remove corrupt pairing data. This clears connection priority issues. While the earbuds charge, inspect the contact pins and speaker mesh for debris or damage. Dirt or a bent contact often causes one side to lose audio. Once done, move to targeted resets and reconnection. You now perform a factory-style reset to restore default behavior. Use the model-specific sequence, usually holding both earbud buttons or the case button for 10 to 15 seconds, because resets force role reassignment and can revive the slave earbud. Next, power on and pair the primary earbud first, then insert or power the secondary so it syncs as the companion. Pairing order resolves left/right role problems. Finally, check for firmware updates in the official app. Firmware patches, you finish by isolating hardware versus software faults. Swap the earbuds between ears and pair to a second device. If the same earbud always fails, the hardware or speaker is the culprit. Clean charging pins and mesh with 70 to 90% isopropyl and a soft brush. Grime often prevents charging or connection. Test calls and stereo audio to confirm both channels. If issues remain after resets, firmware, and cleaning, use the one-key troubleshooting tip. Check warranty and request replacement or professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.